In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle personal expenses in Freshbooks 2025 step by step. Let's start by signing into your Freshbooks account. Use your usual login on a secure connection, and if you have multi-factor authentication turned on, go ahead and confirm that so your financial data stays protected. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This home screen gives you a quick snapshot of your business, but our focus today is setting things up so personal purchases don't slip into your business books. From the left-hand menu, click on Accounting. This is the space where the structure of your bookkeeping lives. Every transaction you add later will flow into one of these categories, and that's how your reports understand what's business, what's not, and how everything should be treated at tax time. Getting this right saves you cleanup work and headaches down the road. Next, open Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as your financial map. Each line is a category you can post transactions to, and it determines where the money shows up on your profit and loss, balance sheet, and other reports. A clear chart helps you spot errors quickly, especially when a personal charge accidentally appears through a connected bank feed. Now click on the expense section. Here you'll see all the expense categories that represent normal business spending, like office supplies, software, or travel. This is where handling personal expenses the right way really matters. If a personal purchase ever appears in your books, avoid assigning it to a business expense category. Doing so would inflate your business cost and could cause issues with your reporting or taxes. Instead, note that personal spending should be moved out of business expenses and into an appropriate, non-deductible category, often an owner's draw or a similar equity account, depending on your business structure. If you're unsure which non-deductible category is right for you, it's a good idea to ask your bookkeeper or tax professional. The goal is simple: keep business expenses truly business and make personal items clearly personal so your profit and loss reflects accurate deductible spending only. A couple of tips as you review this list: keep category names clear and consistent, add notes on any transactions you adjust so you remember why changes were made, and reconcile your accounts regularly so personal items get caught quickly. If you ever need to create or refine categories to match how your business operates, this expense view is where you'll manage that structure. That's it. You've navigated to the exact place in FreshBooks where personal expenses are kept separate from business costs, protecting the accuracy of your books and your reports. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.